The silent revolution of skin cycling, 2025's gateway to healthier skin. In the rapidly evolving world of beauty and health, 2025 has cemented its devotion to one of the simplest yet most effective skincare practices, skin cycling. While once reserved for dermatology insiders, this method has now become a mainstream ritual, reshaping how people across the globe treat and heal their skin. Skin cycling is not a product, it's a rhythm, a pattern. This practice involves alternating active ingredients in your nighttime routine over a multi-day cycle, often spanning 4 nights: exfoliation, retinoid, and recovery. The goal? To give your skin time to reap the benefits of powerful ingredients without overwhelming or damaging the barrier. This minimalistic, science-backed routine has caught fire on social media for a reason. In an age where skin sensitivities are at an all-time high due to pollution, stress, and overuse of products, skin cycling brings a methodical calm. Dermatologists now recommend it to everyone, from teenagers battling acne to mature adults treating pigmentation and early signs of aging. And best of all, it's adaptable. You can customize the cycle length based on your skin's needs, making it perfect for a wide audience looking for structure in their skincare chaos. On day 1 of the skin cycling routine, exfoliation sets the stage. This is the night when alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, BHAs, are used to clear away dead cells and promote cell turnover. In 2025, enzyme-based exfoliants and microbiome-safe acids are leading the trend, offering gentler alternatives that cater to sensitive skin types. These new exfoliants not only decongest pores, but also prep the skin for better absorption of the potent ingredients to come. This stage leaves the skin looking fresher and smoother. With advances in encapsulated retinol and next-gen bakuchiol hybrids in 2025, even those with reactive skin can benefit from cell renewal without redness or tealing. This night is all about building collagen, fading hyperpigmentation, and softening fine lines. The most successful users pair their retinoid with barrier-supportive moisturizers packed with ceramides, peptides, and fermented oils to maintain skin resilience. Influencers and experts alike share their 2-finger method for application, one for retinoid, one for moisturizer, keeping both potent and protected. Days 3 and 4 are recovery nights, crucial to the cycle's success. These evenings are dedicated entirely to repair. Think hydrating essences, barrier creams, and sleep masks loaded with ingredients like panthenol, centella asiatica, and ectoin. The spotlight in 2025 has turned to skinimalism during these nights. Stripped-down routines focused on restoration, allowing the skin to heal and replenish without interference. Recovery nights also serve as a reset button, preventing the cumulative irritation often seen in complex skincare regimens. It's about nurturing your skin with intentional calm. What makes skin cycling such a perfect topic for podcast storytelling is how visual the process can be, without video. Each stage evokes a clear, illustrative idea. Exfoliation as a fresh start, retinoids as the workhorse of transformation, and recovery as the peaceful restoration of a healthy barrier. This cyclical approach to skincare aligns beautifully with themes of balance, rhythm, and long-term self-care. In 2025, where intentional living is more than a trend, it's a lifestyle, skin cycling emerges not just as a beauty hack, but a holistic wellness philosophy for the skin.